Good morning, CAMX. My name is James Jones. I'm one of the technical support managers for Composites 1. I'm here today with Raymond from Axiom Materials, and we're presenting a knowledge segment on carbon epoxy prepreg. So we've already started building a part here. You're going to see how Raymond works with the carbon epoxy prepreg. So for those of you that might not know what a prepreg is, it's basically a dry reinforcement. In this case, it's carbon fiber. We can also have glass fiber, aramid fibers, or other exotic fibers. And it's pre-impregnated with a resin system. In this case, it's epoxy. The product we're using today, it's a 200 gram per square meter 2x2 carbon twill. And there's various different fabrics available. We can have unidirectional fabrics, tows, that sort of thing. Once we finish laying this part up, it's going to be vacuum bagged. So we have our breather stack ready to go. You'll be able to see that process. But then we'll put it in an oven and we'll cure it anywhere from as low as 100 degrees Fahrenheit up to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So the higher the temperature, the shorter the time it stays in the oven. The lower the temperature, the longer the time it stays in the oven. So with the prepregs, we can also achieve a very low void content, less than 1%. So that's going to give us stronger, stiffer parts that are more durable, more fatigue resistant. Some of the applications that prepregs go into, all sorts of aerospace, commercial, military, space applications, drones, that sort of thing. It also goes into a lot of sporting goods. So we have tennis rackets, fishing poles, all sorts of boards, golf clubs, that sort of thing, bicycles. It's really getting a stronghold in automotive as well for body panels, even chassis parts, marine, so America's Cup boats, things like that. They're all built with prepreg materials. The product we're using today is a 5201 from Axiom, and it's developed specifically to give us a good surface finish. Because people like to see the 2x2 twill pattern on parts, that might be clear coated, that sort of thing. We're doing a vacuum bag only process, so we're not going to be in the autoclave. So the only pressure we have to consolidate this laminate is our vacuum bag pressure, which is atmospheric pressure, so about 14.7 psi, and we'll maintain vacuum on the part throughout the cure cycle. We also want to cool it at a controlled rate. He's about ready to put the release film on and the breather, and then we're going to put the bag on. Thank you for watching. We're going to continue and let Raymond work, and feel free to continue to watch.